Hey guys, so how are you? Today I'm unboxing the new Sony E-mount lens 18135, and I'm just going to do a very quick comparison with the Sony E-mount 18105. So let's see what's inside this package. I think it's probably just going to be the lens, but anyway, I wanted to share with you the unboxing moment. So we have some manuals here, and then we have the monster. So it's obviously just the lens, but oh my god, how smaller is it compared to the one on the left. I don't know if you guys can appreciate how taller it is, this one, and it's also incredible considering that the lens on the right, the new one, has the capability to go to 135 millimeters. It's actually incredible. Not only considering how different is the shape, I think you can see how smaller it is, not only in terms of height but also in width. So thank you guys for using the hammer while I'm doing videos. But anyway, the next thing I'm going to do is to actually weigh both of the lenses so we can see the difference in terms of the weight. And this is roughly 459 grams, and this is 344 grams. If you want to compare also with the cover, that's 30 grams more, and here it's almost 30 grams more. Okay, yeah. So I'm not a pro user, so I'm my Sony Alpha A6300 is my first camera, and I'm actually filming this on a prime lens, which is the 35 millimeters f1.8, which is awesome. But I needed some more extension and with this lens, so I don't know how to make comparisons, how to check quality, because I've seen that there are some reviews on the web, but there are no video reviews, there are no, well, a lot of reviews. So if you want some tips, if you want to understand how this lens is performing, please feel free to ask anything in the comments, and I will try to reply to you to test this lens, to upload test shots. So I hope that this video has been a bit useful for you if you wanted to see the new lens, and please subscribe and put a like if you want to see more. Bye.